Hey, hey, it's Trey coming your way, coming at you live from the north, more specifically, Lincoln, New Hampshire. And more specifically than that is the depot for the Hobo Railroad. Yes, the Hobo Railroad. Well, now, we're not hobos, but we want to ride the Hobo Railroad anyway. Why? Because it's very nice, relaxing, scenic, very scenic. Goes through the White Mountains of New Hampshire and across rivers and streams and the beautiful forest. A lot of things to see and really enjoy nature and the time out. So we're getting on the railroad bus car, as you see right there now. And it's going to take us on a little ride here. So I'll stop talking from time to time so you can enjoy the ambient sounds of nature as we go across the railroad. Here we go, starting now, looking at the woods. So I'll hush for a little bit and then I'll come back and talk again. So it has time to kind of relax and enjoy some scenes from the Hobo Railroad.
Dense, but there's not much foliage on the ground.
Okay, that Osceola are about that far apart.
Hey, we'll do that.
Be on your side.
Should be right out here.
Yeah, really. Look up these trees down.
That's beautiful.
Bridge was manufactured in Pennsylvania, then brought here in pieces via rail car, where it was assembled on site. The resulting structure has stood nearly a century now and is truly a testament to the engineering skills of the 1920s.
What would your folks like to drink?
Hope you haven't fallen asleep because it's relaxing and we're going across the highway now. So there's traffic there in the distance there. Going across these beautiful gardens here with the White Mountains of New Hampshire nearby. Very well maintained and landscaped, and it's a very beautiful area, no doubt about it. Okay, I believe we're coming to an end here, back at the Hobo Junction station. So thanks for coming along. I really appreciate it. And if you have a chance to go up to New Hampshire sometime, check out the Hobo Railroad. It's quite fascinating. Make it a great day today. See you next time on the next video.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome aboard the Hobo Rail by the same route. Total round trip today, 15 miles. Running speeds on the line between 12 and 14 miles an hour for the majority of today's trip. On behalf of myself, the train crew, and the management staff here at the Hobo Railroad, welcome aboard.
There's the engineer and